Hey everyone, I'm here with another interesting topic. Today, we are diving into the world of small businesses with 5 fantastic ideas you can start from home with minimal investment. Whether you're looking to turn your passion into profit or just want to explore new ventures, these ideas are going to be perfect for you. So, let's get started. First up, we have home-based chocolate business. Who doesn't love chocolate? Here's how you can turn this love into a lucrative business. With an investment of just rupees 5 to 10,000 for raw materials, you can get started. You'll need a refrigerator, a microwave, and make sure you have the necessary licenses like MSME and FSSAI along with GST registration. A space of 10 to 10 feet is enough to start making chocolates. The profit potential is quite sweet. Small-scale chocolate makers in India can earn around 30,000 per month, which is about 1,000 rupees a day. It's a delicious way to earn a living. Don't forget to experiment with different flavors and packaging. Unique and attractive packaging can significantly increase your sales. You can also leverage social media to market your homemade chocolates. Posting beautiful pictures and videos of your products can attract a lot of customers. Next, let's talk about the Goli Soda business. Perfect for the summer season. With an investment of around 50,000 rupees, you will need a vehicle to transport your soda. Each glass can be sold for rupees 20 to 30. If you get 40 to 50 customers a day, you can make around 1,200 daily, which adds up to around 34 to 35,000 monthly. After expenses of 5,000 to 8,000, your daily profit can range from 20,000 to 25,000. Refreshing and profitable. Consider setting up a stall in busy areas like markets, parks, and near schools. The hot summer months will drive more customers your way. You can also offer different flavors to attract the broader audience. Now let's see our way into the home-based tailoring business. With an investment of rupees 10 to 25,000 for materials and sewing machine, you don't need a business license if you're operating it from home. A space of 10 to 10 feet is enough. The profit margin in tailoring can range from 15% to 40%. You can earn between rupees 400 to 800 daily, adding up to 20,000 to 25,000 monthly. Tailor your business to your lifestyle. You can specialize in custom clothing, alterations, or even start your own fashion line. Offering personalized services can help you stand out in the market. Additionally, creating a portfolio of your work and showcasing it on the social media can attract more customers. Fourth on our list is the home-based tiffin service business. Perfect for those who love to cook. With an investment of rupees 10,000 to 50,000, you can start this business from your own kitchen. On average, you can cater to 50 to 100 people daily with each tiffin priced between 30 to 60 rupees. If you served 75 people at 40 rupees per tiffin, that's 3,000 daily and 90,000 monthly. After expenses of 20,000 to 25,000, you can expect a profit of around 50,000 rupees. Feed others and feed your bank account. Consistency in taste and quality is the key to retaining customers. Offering a variety of dishes and catering to dietary preferences can help you grow your customers' base. Also, timely delivery is crucial for a successful tiffin service. Last but not the least, let's explore the paper, plate, and cup business. This business is in high demand across IT companies, food catering, coffee and tea shops, and events. You can start from home with an investment ranging from rupees 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs for small scale and up to 25 lakhs for large scale operations. You can produce 12 to 200 paper plates per kilogram of paper. Small scale business can achieve a profit margin of 10% to 12%, while large scale operations can see up to 20% profit. Plus, you can avail this loans like Mudra and PMEGP to get started. Focus on eco-friendly materials to attract environmentally conscious customers. You can also partner with local businesses and even planners to secure bulk orders. This can help you scale your business faster. So there you have it. 5 exciting and profitable business ideas you can start from home. If you have any sort of suggestions or if you need any ideas related to any sort of business, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such interesting topics, do subscribe to the Freedom English Business channel. I'll see you soon in the next interesting episode. Until then, please do take care. It's Meghla Kannan signing off.